All right, so I filled in all of the elements from this page that you've seen me working on earlier this week. Doesn't that look beautiful? We have our lighter logo down here. We have all of our pretty screenshots with play buttons. They all link up to a Facebook video. We have the image, the new font that I exported in Canva. I exported as a transparent, that way this gray background would show up. And then we have some of our photos, so we're done with here. So I'm going to save this page, and then we're going to go back to the quote page we made and make sure that this is the redirected success page, thank you page, or what, whatever we want to call it. So let's go back to landing pages. And the quote one we called was /quote. So for this one, I'm going to name it quotes and then thanks. And then we could later down the road retarget Facebook ads based on the word thanks. So that's why I like to use that. And I'm going to go ahead and fill out the page title and the page description. Actually, I'm just going to have a title because it shows up at the top when your tabs are open, and I would like that to be there. So let's see what it looks like. I'm going to go back here to the page. Let's get a quick look and make sure it looks right. Awesome. Oh, do you see all the animation? That was already built into the template. I did not do that. I will double check that all of these link to different videos. I can kind of scroll over and look at the bottom and make sure the links are all different. And I also made sure all of the images are different. Like this one, I can tell when I look at the bottom here, I can tell this one's missing a link. So I'll go back and fix that. This one's missing a link. You want to make sure all your images are clickable. So that's one thing that I'll have to fix. I guess I'll just do that really quick while I'm here, right? Because otherwise oh, I don't want to edit details. I want to customize. This is where Kajabi gets a little bit confusing. I'm going to click customize and wait. And I'm going to come down here to these images and just make sure that they link to the video. So give me a second. This was one of them. I'm going to hover over it, edit. See, image action, go to URL. So let me see if I can grab the right one really quick. Oh, that's not it. Let me grab this one. And then this one's going to go over here. See, image action, go to URL, and I'm going to have it open in a new tab. I'm okay with that. Now I need to find the paint pour ornament one. So let's go back to her videos. I'll have to look at this later. Looks like it's a unicorn thing somebody's sending me. Oh, I love our work group. I love you girls. You're so funny. Okay, so this is the one I needed, this paint pour video. Let me just snag that URL.
Hey kiddos, it's Tangle with Sue.
Come over here and make sure that this image URL goes to the video. So now all of them are linked. Glad I double checked that. The other button that's linked is this one right here. It's going to our Instagram, which you saw me do earlier. So we're done. Okay. So now we're going to go back to the quote, custom quote form page that we made. And when someone fills out the form successfully, it'll bring up this page right after it. That's why it's called a thank you page, a success page, or a redirect page. So let's go over there. Really easy in Kajabi. We're going to come back here. This was the page we started the other day. I mean, same day. I'm wearing the same clothes. I'm not going to act like I'm not. Didn't film this week in 1 week. There's a lot of little like aspects that go into this. So being a VA that can like make the graphic that fits and resize it and do all of that, this is why we're good. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the form, and then the thank you page it says thank you. The action is go to a URL. So I could type in thanks and it should come up. Or it's supposed to. Okay, let's go to our landing page. We're going to go to a landing page inside Kajabi, and we're going to find the thanks page. Okay, I lied. I'm just going to have to like scroll through and find it. Give me a second. Custom quote, thank you. I found it. We're going to save it. Now, since I decided to use this picture, On the other one, I am going to take it out. I don't like it. So edit. I'm just going to delete the block. We're just going to keep it easy. And then I could go ahead and fix that. You do get quicker at this, I promise. So if you want to know more tasks that we do as digital media VAs, download my freebie. It has 10 things that I did a lot of during the beginning of my career. We did it. That's much better. Okay, so now the thank you page is done. So thanks for being here with me. If you want to know more digital media tasks, go get my freebie. The link to that is in the description, and I'll see you next time.